Everybody's looking for speed and noise. Well, look no further than your own nose. Sneezing is a superpower. Get this, a sneeze can rocket out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah on the hunt. And talk about volume. The world record for the loudest sneeze hit 112 decibels. That's louder than a jackhammer, people. But here's a bit of advice. Never hold in a sneeze. It can actually cause harm to your body. So next time you feel that tickle, let it out safely. Cover your ears, your nose, and don't forget to say bless you. Remember, sneezes may be speedy and noisy, but they're also your body's way of keeping you healthy. So embrace the sneeze and keep those tissues handy.